Welcome back to my channel. Germany has reopened, so today my husband and I are heading to Frankfurt for the first time to see the new normal in shopping. If you are interested in come shop with me type of videos, stay tuned. This toy Lulu bag is coming with me today. By the way, I will be posting a review video on this bag soon and what it can fit. You will be amazed. Watch out for that. We're here.
Okay. You want to get in line for a little bit now?
No. That's Gucci across the street. Wow, that's a long line. There's a line. Ferragamo looks empty. Chanel's bag section is small. It's just this hallway and that's it.
You can just simply hide it inside, and then you want to make it a little bit shorter.
This black is cute. It's 4,400 euros. Ta-da! My husband just said enjoy your unboxing because there will be no more unboxing till end of the year. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.